Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been accused of making Islamophobic comments during an election rally, triggering widespread anger from Muslims and members of the opposition. And Mr. Modi said if the opposition Congress is voted back into power, it would distribute citizens' wealth among what he called infiltrators and those who have more children, referring to Muslims in India. Priyata Brajabasi brings us this report from New Delhi.
In an election rally in the western state of Rajasthan on Sunday, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's comments sparked a nationwide outrage.
और पहले जब उनकी सरकार थी उन्होंने कहा था कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है। इसका मतलब ये संपत्ति इकट्ठी करके किसको बांटेंगे? जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे। घुसपैठियों को बांटेंगे। क्या आपकी मेहनत की कमाई का पैसा घुसपैठियों को दिया जाएगा? आपको मंजूर है ये कांग्रेस का मैनिफेस्टो कह रहा है।
The opposition is calling these remarks hate speech. It has long accused Mr. Modi and his Bharatiya Janata Party for using communal and divisive politics for electoral gains. India's main opposition party, the Indian National Congress, says no Prime Minister has lowered the dignity of the post as much as Modi. And prominent Congress leader Rahul Gandhi took to X and claimed the Prime Minister was fearful of a loss in the polls and is trying to divert people's attention from real election issues. Modi was reportedly referring to remarks made by former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh more than a decade ago, where he said his Congress government aimed to devise plans to ensure that minorities, particularly Muslims, were empowered to share equitably in India's development and must have the first claim on resources. Prime Minister Modi's BJP has repeatedly said it does not discriminate based on religion and treats all citizens equally. But Modi's remarks are gaining widespread backlash at a time when many fear that a third term for him will deepen ethnic and religious divisions in the country. The world's most populous nation is in the midst of a 6-week-long election in which Modi is expected to secure a rare third consecutive term. The opposition is demanding action by the Election Commission of India, accusing the Prime Minister of violating the poll body's code of conduct. The Electoral Court says that politicians must not appeal for votes on communal lines, which could aggravate differences and create mutual hatred between communities and religions. The poll body is yet to respond to the opposition's request. Priyata Brajabasi, CNA, New Delhi.